morning, kids. How are you? My name is Teacher Loris, and today we are going to review the numbers from 1 to 20. Let's sing a song. You can clap, you can jump, you can dance with this song.
Let's get ready to count to 20. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jump. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Jump, 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 stop. Spin, 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 stop. Let's sing one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jump. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Jump, 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 stop. Spin, 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 stop. I can count to 20.
Very good. Now we are going to continue doing some exercise in our book. Okay, first of all, we are going to write our name. We have to write our name here. Very good. Okay. And then, okay, here you have to write your name. Then we have to trace the number 3. Let's count a mittens. 1, 2, 3 mittens. Then you have to practice the number 3 here. Yes. And then here. Yes, number 3. Number 3 again. Okay. Number 3. We can cross the line, okay? Be careful. And the last number 3. Very good. Okay, now we have to fill in the bubble under the number that the teacher said. In the yellow bar, we have to find which is the number 3. The number 3. Let's see, what is the number 3? Is this number 3? No. Is this number 3? No. Is this number 3? Yes. So we have to fill it out, okay? Let's fill it out. The next part, in the green color, we have to find which of these numbers is the number 6. Is this number 6? Is this number 6? If you say yes, correct. Yes, very good. We have to fill it out. Yes, the bubble. The pink color. In the pink color is the number 7. Oh my God, the number 7. Is this number 7? No, it's the number 5. Is this number 7? No, it's the number 6. Is this number 7? Yes, this is the number 7. Yes. And here, what number? Let me see the number 4. Is this number 4? No. This is the number 4. Very good. Number 4. In the next one, in the purple color, we have to find the number 8. Which is the number 8? Let me see. Which is the number 8? Is this number 8? No, it's the number 6. Is this number 8? No. Is this number 8? Yes, this is the number 8. And the last one? Aha, we have to find which the number 2. The number 2. Is this number 2? Yes, this is the number 2. Correct. In the next exercise, we have to circle the number of objects in each group. Let me see. Let's circle the number. Let's count how many ones do we have here. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the number 4. Yes, this is the number 4. Very good. How many baseballs are here? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is this number 7? I don't think so. Is this number 7? No. Is this number 7? Yes. Let's circle the number 7. The number 7. Okay, let's do it again. Yes, number 7. How many yo-yos? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Is this number 5? No. This is number 2. Is this number 5? No, this is number 3. Is this number 5? Yes, very good. This is the number 5. Okay, let's see. How many dolls? How many dolls we have here? 1, 2. 2 dolls. Is this number 2? No, this is the number 7. Is this number 2? No, this is the number 4. Is this number 2? Yes, correct. This is the number 2. Okay, how many balls do we have here? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 balls. Okay. Is this number 8? No. Is this number 8? Is this number 8? Yes, this is the number 8. Very good. We are going to continue tracing and writing the number 3. When we finish the kites, how many kites do we have here? 1, 2, 3 kites. 3 green kites. Is this number 3? No. Is this number 3? No. Is this number 3? Yes, correct. This is the number 3. Okay, now we are going to continue tracing and writing the number 3. Okay, let's try. Yes. Aha. Yeah, we did it. One more time. Number 3. Okay, let's do it again. Number 3. One more time. Number 3. Yeah, perfect. Yes. Number 3. And the last one? The last number 3. Good job, guys. Okay, we finished. We are going to continue with another class. Thank you.